Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So we should first get the Ampere app from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the Ampere, tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Yes, I agree, pick Close and tap to OK on the left down corner. After that, you'll see here information about device battery temperature. In my case, that's 35 degrees. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.